What if I told you that trading is not complicated? That is, if you know what you're doing. In this video, guys, once again I'm back with another winning video. It's crazy. This was a gold trade and it just took an hour to play out, and yes, it was taken out, but in profit. Taken out in profit. Okay, so as usual, look at the screenshot right here. Zoom this video, taken on January, of course. Today is 2nd January, and if you try to look right below here, confirm Tuesday 2nd, right? So this is it. We've been taken out, but in profit. So I'm going to explain. Basically, this was analysis that I did last week, and when I just opened my computer today, guys, I found that the alert that I had set had been hit. So I did not hesitate to take this trade, because at the same time, this is just my analysis. Okay, so basically I've not made analysis for this week, and I just decided to take this trade. Okay, it was not a swing trade, but the market gave me confidence that I should take my buy, and I respected that. So as usual, we was in an uptrend. Basically, we were in an uptrend from the 4-hour. I'm not going to delete everything, and I don't want to waste your time. You look at this, guys. This is an uptrend, right? So if that's the case, I try to zoom in and understand the current market price, the current movement. Okay, so last week I did draw this kind of a support. So if price took this support, then now it could have just given me a confidence that now it's time to take my sell position, right? But if you kind of look at this market, the market did play around this zone. It consolidated, but then before this move, let me do this. Let me just, before that engulfing candlestick, the big candlestick, that is when I did take the trade. So I was looking for a pattern. All right, so if you kind of look at this was kind of left shoulder, this is the head. Now I was expecting that this market to react to this resistance to give me now the right shoulder. That's a confirmation that we should be going down. But when I go to the 1 hour, guys, that is when I opened my computer today in the morning, I found out that now price has taken out the previous high. So if price took out that high, then the head and shoulder thing was not valid. I don't know why trading is lagging. Come on, I need you to do this, man. Why are you lagging? Just a minute. So let's continue. So when I went to the 1 hour, like I was saying before, I realized that the market had already taken the last high. So when I talk about the last high, I'm talking about this zone right here. So like I said before, I was expecting this to be the left shoulder, then that was the neckline, then this is the hair right there, then back to the neckline. Then now the market was to do this, then now respect this high. That is when we should have hit that sell position. But it's funny, I see that the market is going up after taking me out. But my analysis was still okay. So let me continue. So the moment I saw that the market had already taken this high, so that just called for my buy entries. All right, so that is when I did take that position right here, this candlestick. So you can see that, let me just remove this. We had this candlestick did break, then now this was kind of dodgy. That is after the market came back to retest that high that it had broken. So when this candlestick opened, that is when I did take my buy position. So at the same time, I understand that there was this resistance here. My anticipation now, since this market had already taken this high, is that the market should go up, continue moving up or pushing up, then now give me kind of reversal, that is a double top right here, before now seeing the way forward, either way to drop or to continue going up. It depends on what the market will be doing or how the market will be reacting around this position. Okay, so as the market went up, guys, the market gave us up to 55 pips. Basically, I did give out this signal to my free telegram. This is it when I took the position. Let me just show you. All right, so that was 8:27 a.m. I told the telegram channel, yo, I'm going in for buys on gold, but still expecting pullback. So this is it, you see, before the market moved. So Then now the market did its thing, as you can see right there. Right, so you can see one of my funded account I was up $80, the second account I was up $73. So you see, the market did not give us even a drawdown. So I told you, free 55 pips already delivered as promised. I remember yesterday I told them that I will be giving them free trades this week. So you can see, I told them, yo, happy new year, let this be a winning year, and we'll be sending free signal this week. That is yesterday I told them, so stay alert. So I just delivered as promised. But now let's continue to the 15. Let's continue to the 15. I've come to realize that, yo, when the market gives you more than 50 pips, that is my policy, secure in profit. But then I have bad thing with gold, yo. I have a bad chemistry with gold. I don't trade gold, yo. So this was just me trying to see if my analysis on gold is on check. So I just saw, oh, let me just take this entry. But then since I never trade gold, I just say, let me just try, yeah. So when gold did take out this high, I just decided to adjust my stop loss. You can see right here I have SL, and it's crazy, the position where my stop loss is, that is where gold has just hit, and it's stupid, wants to reverse and continues going up. Since this was just my first trial, yeah, I don't have a problem with that. It's okay, but I still believe that gold will maybe continue moving to the top. Right, if this was other pairs, the currency, I could have still held my position in. I'm a swing trader. I don't scalp you. 40 pips, 55 pips, not me. I go in for 100, 200, 300. You see, I hold my position. I don't care about pullbacks. See, I don't I don't trail my stop loss just the way I did with gold. Yo, I don't do that. For me to trail my stop loss as usual, I could have just seen, oh, gold has done this, then pull back. So I could have just waited gold to take out this high that it just created like this. Then now I could have now trail my stop loss right here. So basically, when I was trailing this stop loss right here, I knew that gold will take me out, because this is it. Most people do the same mistake that I just did, right? But basically, I knew that I was going to be taken out. So as usual, most people do take their buy position or their sell position the moment the market takes out a high, but then make their stop loss below that support or resistance. Now the market movers are smart enough to know that that is where the stop loss is, so they do this, take you out below your resistance or stop or your support. Then now that's when the market reverses on you. So I never place my stop loss below a support or resistance unless the market has taken that high. So you see, that's it. So I knew that I was going to be taken out, but I was still okay with that because I don't trade gold. So for those who did take this entry, man, I hope they're winning. And maybe if they understand gold, maybe they're still holding the position. That's good for them. They're still in profit. But as for me, I'm okay with the wins. Okay, I'm okay with that 55 pip thing. All right. So it's a good one, and you can see it's still going up. I don't have a problem with that. So like I said before, if it was other currency, I could have just said, oh, gold gave me a high, or let's say this was maybe Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD something, any pair. I could have said, oh, gold then gave me that high. So my anticipation was for this market does this, comes down the way it just did. Then now if it takes this high like this, then now my stop loss will have been below where it reversed. So I'm just giving you tips. My stop loss will have been now below here. So that means if this trade reverses and takes this low once again, then now that's a sign that it's reversing. All right, that means that the uptrend is done. But now, as you can see, this kind of play doesn't mean that the uptrend is done. This is just a pullback, and I understand this is a pullback. But now gold is stupid. The pullback might be crazy, just one candlestick, and now wipe all my profits. So I did not want to risk that. I don't want to see you I'm in profit, then lose the profit that I had already made. So it's that simple. But I understand that the market is still going to go up. So that's it, baby. And I was actually targeting 151 pips, all right, and I'm still okay with the ones that I just closed. So basically, I believe you learned something, gang. And it's now time for me to go back to my pairs. Like this analysis was on Sunday, but the market just played out today, right? So I'm just going to go over my watch list and now try to analyze my pairs, my currency as usual, baby. that is where we swing. I swing in peace. I don't have any problem with that because I understand the moves. Yeah. So man, feel free, check out the link in the description box. That is the Telegram channel. If you want to reach me out, link in the description. So man, adios, mi amigos, peace.